So I'm going ahead to implement part one of the challenge, which is basically to create a program that prints out hello, those two, if one. So I'm going to implement this in C++ because that's what I'm familiar with, but I don't think it can take me a while trying to implement the same thing in Python. So I'll be using ROS, C++. So without further ado, let's go and start working on it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to first create a workspace. Inside the workspace, I will create subdirectories, and then I will create a package file where I'll write my 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 raw program that prints out hello to this file. So I will start off with the directory, and I'm using P because I want to create a bunch of directories with subdirectories just in one step. So I will create a workspace and then name it Google sum of chords. And inside this, I will create a subdirectory called rows. And in this was that's why I'm going to create my package that I will write my C++ program. So I enter, then I have to go to the source directory. Source directory. So in there, I'm going to create a package. And I'm going to name this package AGT just because it's a general introduction to ROS, which is the book that I basically, that's where I learned my ROS, almost all my ROS skills. So I'll go and create a package, and then I call it AGT, which stands for a general introduction to ROS. Then I will run ROS C++. Okay, so you can see my package is created. Let's go inside the AGT package, and inside, by default, it has created two files: CMake list text file and package XML. We shall come back to the CMake list later on. I want to go forward and inside the source of the directory, I want to create my C++ program. I will name it hello. So I'm using Vim because I'm more, I find it more, convenient. Or I can use the default editor in the Linux system. So I go ahead and write my program. So I've written a bunch of some lines of code over here. Let me come in there. Basically, what I'm trying to do here, the header defines the header file which defines the standard rows classes. Then I initialize the row system, and here I want to it's more of the entry point of the program. The standard C++ main function that has two arguments, C and V, which represent the number of command line arguments. V an array of strings containing command line arguments themselves. So I'll come and insert hello world, hello, hello world. and then I will register this as a error code. And then here we are passing the log message, which is basically hello, rows 2 is fine. So we are passing output as the log message. And for this, right? Then I will state, I will write and quit. So we're gonna go ahead and edit our CMake list. So we go back. This is where our CMake list is, and then we open Vim to edit the CMake list. Right. So if I go, these are default when I create the CMake list. The package CMake list came by default, so I need to go and edit the last part of right here. So I go back to my file. I will this. I will just give me a minute. I will and paste it here. So basically, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to avoid name pollution. This allows me to this avoids name pollution by allowing different packages to have rows nodes with the same name, right? So I go ahead and with my and then I need to compile my program. So in ROS, we need to go back to the workspace. So CD, we go back to Google Camera Chords, and then we run package make. Let's compare and if we are not getting any errors, and then we should be able to run a program which prints out below process one. So let's see these. All right, so no issue. So let's try to clear this out. We need to run the master. So ROS 4 run the master, and then we need to open a new app to run our program. So ROS run magic time, and we run our hello program. There we go. So hello, so it's fine. So basically, this is the way I was able to do this. Thank you.